When you log into the Delta platform, you can see the status as pending on the top. You can either click on the Apply Now button next to it, or you can click here or here. Then click on Continue with Facebook. It'll take you to the next step, the embedded sign-up process. This process is essential to get the WhatsApp Business API. Click on Get Started, Continue, and choose your Meta Business account, which has a verified Facebook Business Manager. In case it is not verified already, don't worry, you can do it after this next step. Choose your Facebook Business Manager account. If you don't already have one, this process will create an account for you. Now, follow these steps to get the WhatsApp Business API. First, choose a Verify account, enter your details. 2. Select Create a new WhatsApp Business account and then select Create a new WhatsApp Business profile and click on Next. 3. Enter a WhatsApp Business account name. Don't worry, this will not be the official name that will be used when you send WhatsApp messages to your customers. It will not be displayed on your profile. 4. This next one, WhatsApp Business Profile Display Name, is the one that will be displayed to your customers. Enter the name, select your category. You can also enter your business description, which is entirely optional, same for your website details. Click on Next and then enter your phone number. Once you enter it, you will get an OTP, and when you enter it, you will get the WhatsApp Business API on your mobile number. To get your Facebook Business Manager verified, these 3 factors are a must. Having a website, having the legal name of your business on the footer of your website, the brand name, that is the display name that you have selected, should be visible on the header section of your website. If you don't have a website, you need to create one.